All right, today we're going to replace the stock servo in your Axial scx24 with one of these guys. All right, we're going to go ahead and undo the front shocks to drop the axle down to make it a little bit easier. Uno. So I just unplugged the servo from the ESC. Now I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the servo from the actual tray. Just have two little screws here and here on each side. And then disconnect the link. There's your old servo. Go ahead and open our new servo. And here's everything you get in the box. Servo, a couple horns, screws, odds and ends, really long cable. So now we want to take the tray out. I'm going to disconnect these two screws here, here, and here. So once you have that loose, there's one more screw on the back side you have to disconnect. Servo tray is out, so we need to do a couple modifications to fit the new servo. So you want to cut that out. So this wire, you don't have to do both sides, but so that wire fits down there, just like so. So yeah, you want to take these corners off. You can either use a Dremel or snips or something, but I just wanted to sand it down real good. So the horn that comes with the Emax, it's a little bit longer than the stock horn. So we're going to take this one and we're going to trim off 3 sides and then sand it so it matches up a little bit better. And then went ahead and just threw a little bit of black spray paint on the horn just to make it blend in a little bit better, sanding it down. So now we're gonna mount the servo into the tray. You don't want to over crank these, just enough to where it's snug because there's quite a bit of a gap. Just tightening down the servo tray. All right, so we have the servo in there. We put the horn on, and now we're going to go ahead and zero out our steering. Yep, right on 0. You got a 0. All right, so we made a big mistake actually. So we had the servo mounted this way, actually needs to be upside down, logo down, so the horn is more towards the driver's side, pointing straight down. So yeah, make sure you do that and you can learn from our mistake. So pretty simple fix, about added an extra 10 minutes or so, but no biggie. So yeah. All right, new servo is in. Relatively easy install. And I just went ahead and threw a zip tie on that extra wire.